My name is Christopher Dale. I'm the General Manager of Strategy Design for MEGT Australia Limited. We provide services to all employers of all sizes to take on apprentices and traineeships. Since 1983, we've signed up over 1.5 million people into traineeships and apprenticeships with over 250,000 employers across the country. For 12 months now, we've placed over 300 people into employment of Kinetic, utilising virtual reality. We've moved into virtual reality because a lot of providers around a number of countries are utilising sophisticated virtual reality to engage any learner who wants to come back into the workforce.
VR is extremely valuable to the student learning experience because we can recreate scenarios that can't be replicated in the real world. When they put the VR headset on, they are, for example, in control of a bus. They're having the full experience of driving a bus. In our story, we have a cyclist who comes out in front of the bus, and then as the driver of that bus, you then hit that cyclist. It actually helps to create neural pathways that trains people to react to those situations and be wary of those situations. Traditional training is nowhere near as engaging as VR. So if you're being told something or you're learning it in a book, you're not actually experiencing it. Whereas with the VR, you're coming as close to actually experiencing that scenario as you possibly can. Nextworld gives you the software to go with the technology where you can track learning outcomes for every student. You can look at how well students are engaged in that training, and it gives you everything you need as a trainer to make sure that everyone across the board is getting a quality outcome. At MEGT, it's important to us to make sure that we innovate for the future of our business. So the VR technology helps us to reach that goal and that mission through making sure we're on the front foot of innovation.
And the delivery of the project we've been doing so far, the results have outstripped what I ever thought it would be.